Because of the technical issue, our first which one we already prepared a link for the live class has been deleted, okay, because of some technical issue. So this is new link I have provided. So let us wait how many will come. Hope people will join. So as we are discussing final accounts related problems, this is one of the previous year question. So just inform your friends whoever are there, okay. So before solving the question, I would like to tell you we are going to discuss some important adjustments along with this problem, okay. So let us do the problem relating to it. Please inform your friends if any are there. And is my voice is audible to you all clearly? If yes, please give a comment in the comment section. Just drop a comment if audio is okay. And this is one of the important question, previous exam question asked in the exam. There are some tricky adjustments related to this problem, so that is why I have selected this problem. This is question number 18, okay. As it was corona period question, so question number 18, okay. Question number 18 of August 2021 paper, okay. August 2021 paper we are discussing at present. So let us see the question. So this is the previous exam question we are discussing. If my audio is clear, just tell me. And is question is visible to you? Is question is visible to you? This is one of the previous exam question, August 2021, okay. We are going to discuss some important adjustments in this question along with the problem. So the following is the trial balance of extracted from the books of Sunil as on 30th September 2018, okay. Particulars: debit in rupees, credit in rupees, credit values, debit values we have got. So capital will come under liabilities side, right. Plant and machinery, fixed asset, right, fixed asset. Furniture is also fixed asset, right there, fixed asset. Purchases and sales, see, purchases will be in debit, right, comes under trading, okay. And sales will be of credit balance. People will get confused which one to take where, so be careful with this one. And this is also trading account item, credit side, sales, right. Returns, two returns are there, 1000 and 750. These returns are related to, credit side returns are related to purchases and debit side returns are related to sales. This is sales returns, 1000 will be deducted from sales, and this is purchase return, 750 will be deducted from purchases, ओके, मैच द फॉलोइंग कर लो. नेक्स्ट, रिटर्न्स डन. ओपनिंग स्टॉक विल कम अंडर trading account debit, right? Discount, see discount, two discounts are there. One is P&L debit, another one P&L credit. Discount received and discount allowed. Next, sundry debtors and creditors. Debit value is current asset sundry debtors and credit value is current liability creditors. Okay, salary is 7,550, so this comes under P&L account. Next item, manufacturing wages comes under trading account. Carriage outward, profit and loss account. Provision for doubtful debts, put a star mark, we will discuss this point later. Okay, it is given in the credit side. Rent, rates and taxes, P&L account, debit side item. Advertisement, P&L. Cash, current asset. And total, debit total, credit total 2,54,075, 2,54,075. What they are saying, prepared trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 30th September 2018 and balance sheet as on the date. On the date we need to prepare the balance sheet also. After taking into account the following adjustments, ये adjustment consider करने के बाद, closing stock was valued at 34,020. So closing stock once comes under trading credit, another time current asset, right there. Provision for doubtful debts is to be kept rupees 500. So this will be rupees 500. Provision for doubtful debts will come under, see here old provision is there and here new provision is there. When new provision is less than the old provision, we need to take the old provision minus new provision under P&L account credit side. If new one is more, debit side we will take. If old one is more, we will take the difference in the P&L credit side. This is one of the important adjustment given in this question. Depreciation on plant and machinery 10%. This is regular adjustment. So go to plant and machinery, right there minus 10%. And again this 10% will be written P&L account debit side. So write P&L debit. Next, the proprietor has taken goods worth rupees 5,000. This is one of the most important one for personal use. Which use? For his personal use he is taking 5,000 rupees, will be considered as drawings, right? So when proprietor has taken some goods, we need to deduct that one from the purchases. From purchases we need to deduct how much? 5,000 in trading account, and in capital again it will be deducted as drawings 5,000. So two effects will be there relating to that. So capital minus drawings 5,000 and personal use is deducted from the purchases also. This is the one of the important. And additionally distributed goods worth 5,000 as samples. Okay, goods used for samples will be treated as advertisement expenses or sales promotion expenses. So to this advertisement add 1,000 rupees free sample, and again these also deducted from purchases itself. So free samples will be deducted from purchases value. Here purchases plays major role in this question. Okay, be careful with this question. Purchases में से drawings minus करना as well as goods distributed as free sample. So these are the very good adjustments. That is why in the question today's link itself I said there is a problem of adjustment today, right? Purchase of furniture, C, passed 920 rupees has passed through purchase book. See, purchases में asset purchase include नहीं करना, we should not include. Purchases లో asset purchase చేస్తే రాయదు, బట్ బై మిస్టేక్ ఏం చేసిరంట 920 రూపీస్ పర్చేజెస్లో ఇంక్లూడ్ అయింది. సో టుడేస్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ మోస్ట్లీ రిలేటెడ్ టు పర్చేజెస్. పర్చేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ ఫర్నిచర్. సో ఫర్నిచర్ we need to add 920 and from purchases we need to deduct 920. These are the adjustments relating to purchases. Okay, let us solve this problem, okay, quickly. Yesterday I have shown you by writing one after other at one place itself. We will prepare trade account here, balance sheet here, and post the things simultaneously. If you are good at that, you can do in that manner. Otherwise, as you already noted, which will come under trading account, which will come under P&L account, one by one trading account you first post, then you post the P&L account items. Okay, like that you can do it. Okay, but I'll do in the same manner, which is easy and quickly we can solve the problem. Okay, so let us deal this one. So first I am preparing in the books of Sunil. So put the heading in the books of Sunil. We will do little bit faster today. Till yesterday we did slow, right? Now today we will do little faster. Trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 30th September 2018. They said that one itself we are writing. Okay, one inner column, one outer column as usual. So particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees, and here I am preparing balance sheet. Hope less items are there, they will come here itself in. So I am preparing here balance sheet. Okay, for the year ended 30 September 2018. If you want to keep two columns, you can keep two columns. So here assets and liabilities. So this is asset side, this is liabilities side. Okay, so one by one we need to take the things and write. Capital minus drawings, right? Capital rupees 1 lakh minus drawings, that is nothing but here 5,000 rupees drawings relating to, okay, purchase personal use. So minus drawings 5,000 used for personal use. So out of capital, if you deduct, okay, if you deduct 5,000, it will be 95,000. I am writing in inner column. Since profit or loss will come, that we will write later. And once we prepare the trading account, we need to write four things. I said two opening stock, right? Two opening stock, then two purchases. See, there are more number of adjustments in purchases. Okay, put a star mark and leave that one. By sales, by sales. Okay, and from that we need to deduct returns. One is returns. Okay, from purchases also there will be one thing, purchase returns we need to deduct. Okay, next things we will see later on. And credit side, by closing stock, write these things and leave. Okay, once we get the those points we will do that one. Next one, given plant and machinery and 10% depreciation is there. So asset side, first I will write here fixed assets, plant and machinery 78,000 minus depreciation at the rate 10%, that is 7,800. So from 78,000 if you deduct 7,800, it will be 70,200. Oh, I am doing correctly. If it is calculations are correct, please give a comment. Okay, if it is wrong you tell me. Next one, again this we need to write in the P&L account. So I am writing here to depreciation on plant and machinery. Only one depreciation is there, so I am directly writing 7,800 outer column to depreciation on plant and machinery. Some lines I left for other items like salaries etc, and directly I posted this one. Okay, next, furniture. Furniture is a fixed asset, so right here furniture. Under furniture we are having value 2,000 plus, okay, wrongly debited to purchases. Okay, included in purchases 920 ऐड कर दो अब फर्नीचर में. सो नाउ इट विल बी 2,920. purchase of furniture is included in purchases, so from purchases we need to deduct. అవి ఎక్కడ ఇంక్లూడ్ అయి ఉన్నాయి, పర్చేజెస్లో ఇంక్లూడ్ అయి ఉన్నాయి. సో వీ నీడ్ టు డిడక్ట్. సో ఫస్ట్ టేక్ ది పర్చేజ్ వాల్యూ. పర్చేజ్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 60,000. from that we need to deduct 750. okay, so it will be 59,250. from 59,250 deduct furniture included in purchases, furniture 920. okay, like this we need to do the adjustment simultaneously in trading P&L as well as balance sheet, so that you can complete the problem quickly. okay, next one, next furniture we did, purchases and sales. Purchases we did, sales we need to do, right? Sales we need to do. And one more thing we need to deduct from purchases is this capital related drawings. So drawings 5,000 for personal use. I am leaving one line to calculate this value. From there we can deduct. okay, we will do now itself. okay, so 60,000 purchases minus purchase return 750, right? From this 920 I need to deduct 58,330. from this we need to deduct 5,000 drawings. So total purchase value 53,330 rupees. Outer column we are writing. Like this you need to do. Next, sales 1,27,000. So I am writing 1,27,000 sales, and sales returns are there 1,000 rupees, deduct 1,000. So net sales will be 1,26,000 outer column, right? Next, opening stock will come under trading account. So opening stock 30,000 outer column I am writing. Next one, discount. One discount is debit, another discount is credit. So one discount I am writing over the depreciation. Two discount, debit side value 425, and credit side also one discount is there. By discount, this is discount received, okay, 800 rupees. So I am writing here. You can see over here. Two discounts we have posted. Sundry debtors and creditors. Okay, debtors, there is something provision relating to debtors. So let us do the debtors. Leave one line after fixed asset and write there current assets. Under current assets we need to take first, hope this is visible to you all. Okay, current assets. Under current assets, closing stock, first we need to write closing stock, otherwise you will forget it again. Okay, value we will take once we go to the adjustments. We know that closing stock will come there, so we are writing that one. Debtors are 45,000 and less provision for bad debts in adjustments given 500. I'll show you. Provision for bad debts is given 500. So deduct that one. Okay. We will write first itself, so you will know it easily. So 44,500 outer column. Next, immediately write the creditors also there along with the debtors. So I am writing here current liabilities. Okay, under current liabilities, sundry creditors is 25,000. Write it outer column. That's it. Next, we are having salaries. There is no adjustment relating to salaries, but it will come first thing in the P&L. So I am here writing leaving one line. Two salaries is how much? 7,550. Okay, manufacturing wages will go to the trading account. Two manufacturing wages under trading account 10,000 I wrote. Next we need to take carriage outward. Carriage outward comes here. So 2 carriage outward in P&L account I am writing. 2 carriage outward 1200. Next, provision for doubtful dates. Very interesting thing. See here, by provision for doubtful dates or bad dates given in the trial balance. This is trial balance value. Okay, trial balance value, it is how much? 525. Hello Narendra, I am watching it, but if anything you have doubt, you comment hi, hello, we can do it later. So from this provision for bad debts given in the adjustment we need to deduct, because adjustment value is lesser than the trial balance. So 525 minus 525 rupees outer column. This is one of the important adjustment relating to this question. Okay, and if adjustment value is more, same thing you would have written debit side, writing to provision for bad debts, whatever, suppose that is 1,000 rupees, 1,000 minus PBD ट्रायल बैलेंस डेबिट साइड माइनस करके आउटर कॉलम 475. that is how you are going to do. Okay, now debit side one is adjustment one is less, so we are writing credit side itself. Rent rates and taxes 10,000. So to rent rates and taxes amount is 10,000, so I am writing here 10,000. then advertisement is there. See here, after that advertisement. Okay, right here to advertisement 1,000 rupees plus free samples distributed, free samples, right? How much? Sorry, advertisement is 2,000. Advertisement is 2,000, 1,000 rupees free samples we need to add. So 2,000 plus 1,000, total 3,000 order column we need to take. Okay, next cash in hand is there. Cash in hand, this will come under assets. So let us go to the assets and write there cash in hand. Okay, cash in hand 6,900. if you do simultaneously there will not be any problem. Okay, both trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Now let us see the additional information which is given here. Closing stock is valued 34,220. so first go to the trading account, right there 34,220. immediately go to the current assets and write there closing stock outer column 34,220, right? Next adjustment is relating to provision for doubtful debts, which we deducted from debtors as well as we have written in the credit side. Next depreciation on plant and machinery 10%. so we have deducted from plant and machinery as well as we wrote in the P&L account, done with that one. Okay, this adjustment also done, this one done, this one done. Then proprietor has taken 5,000 rupees as rupees 5,000 as for personal use. So drawings we have deducted 5,000 from capital personal use goods, and from purchases also we have deducted this one. This is important adjustment in this question. Okay, this one. Next, additionally distributed as goods distributed as free samples. Okay, so samples will be included in the advertisement, we have added to the advertisement. And similarly we need to consider that as a deduction. Okay, 1,000 rupees we need to deduct. Oh my god, free samples, फर्नीचर भी डिडक्टेड, फ्री सैम्पल्स भी नीड टू डिडक्ट. ओके, माइनस, देखो ऐसा होता कभी कभी. सो माइनस फ्री सैम्पल्स 1,000. सो इट विल बी 52,000, not 53,000. it will be 52,330, right? So this adjustment also we did. Next, purchase of furniture 920 has been passed through purchase books. So from purchases we need to deduct furniture value 920 and we need to take that 920 in the furniture, add to the furniture included in the purchases. So we have added that one, right? Everything has been posted. Now we need to total it and do the calculations. So total karo, credit side, debit side. Credit side will be more as it is appearing 1,26,000 plus 34,000, 1,60,220. let us check. 1,26,000 plus 34,220, right? 1,60,000. debit side is 50 plus 10 60 plus 30 92, right? So credit side is 1,60,220 I am writing here. Debit side values minus 30,000. You can see opening stock minus 30,000 and purchases minus 52 330 77 minus 10,000. So gross profit to gross profit carried down. This is your balancing figure 67,890 and total 1,60,220. And credit side we need to write that one by gross profit brought down 67,890. To this we need to add so to this we need to add 800 discount plus 25 rupees. Credit side it is 68,715. So debit side also you write same 68,715 because expenses are less, easily we can see. Minus 7,550 minus 10,000 minus 1,200 minus 425 minus 7,800 minus 3,000. To net profit balancing figure. थोड़ा हाथ निकालने के बाद क्लियर हो जाएगा ब्लर. ओके, इज इट ओके नाउ? ओके, सो इट इज़ 38,740. किसी और को ब्लर हो रहा क्या? 38,740, right? So now you can see this will be transferred to capital account. So transfer to capital we will write, and now go to the balance sheet. There you add net profit 38,740. So 38,740 plus 95,000, 1,33,740, right? And plus 25,000. Balance sheet liabilities side we are getting 1 lakh. I write here 1,58,740. Let us take asset side also. 70,200 plus 2,920 plus 34,220 plus 44,500 plus 6,900. Same we are getting 1,58,740. So balance sheet total you write 1,58,740. 1,58,740. यहाँ पे एक नोट लिख दो, notes. Okay, goods used for personal use will be treated as drawings. Goods distributed as free sample are considered. अरे हाथ निकालने के बाद क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, जब मैं हाथ निकाल देता हूँ तब ओके, चेक इट वंस, आपका नेटवर्क चेक करो. Goods distributed as free samples are considered as advertisement expenses. सी, अभी भी आपको वैसा ही दिख रहा क्या? Just check it. We have done with the problem. Here is the answer. सर देखो, अब अभी भी वैसा है क्या? This is trading account, then P&L account items. Okay, in the description of the video I'll put the notes in the description of the video link. ओके, वो थोड़ा नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा शायद. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट माइट बी ब्लर. अभी आप बता रहे, यू माइट हैव सेड इट प्रायर so that we could have rectified it. From last 30 minutes no one was saying nothing. Hope it is clear now. Is it clear? Okay, let me explain one more question similar to this. Okay, so that we can complete another question also as a homework problem as we did yesterday, right? So here we are. This is May June 2017. This is of May June 2017, question number 13a. Okay, and here also some interesting adjustments are there. Okay, the following are the figures extracted from the books of manufacture Murthy as on 31/12/2012, prepared trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, is it clear now? Hello, please inform me quickly. Comment in the comment section. Is it clear now? Yeah, still it is blur. Just check your networks also. So capital is a liability, comes under liability side. Plant and machinery, fixed asset. Furniture, fixed asset. Sundry debtors and creditors. Debtors is a current asset value, debit balance, and creditors credit balance comes under current liability. Bills receivable and bills payable. Bills receivable is current asset, debit value, and credit is current liability. Okay, bills payable. Next, opening stock. Okay, hello. Next, depreciation is given in trial balance, which will come trading account, sorry, P&L account, debit side, P&L debit. I repeat, outstanding salaries, very interesting one. See, outstanding salaries given in trial balance, it will come under current liabilities. Where it will come? Current liabilities only in balance sheet. If it is given in the adjustment, we will add to the salaries, But if it is given in the sheet, sorry, trial balance, if it is given in the trial balance, will come under balance sheet. Okay, salaries, P&L account, debit. Then wages, trading account, debit. Insurance, P&L account, okay, debit side. Prepaid insurance, this is also interesting point. Generally you see this one in adjustments, but here it is given in the trial balance. If it is given in trial balance, take it under current asset. Carriage, if nothing said, carriage you consider it as purchase. If they say outward, then only you consider as uh, carriage outward. If nothing said, you consider it as carriage inward, take it into trading account. Okay, 10% loan, this is current liability, or you can consider non-current liability, no problem. Then adjustments, write off 1000 as bad debts. See, from debtors value, okay, 15,000, first we need to deduct 1000 rupees as bad debts. Provide provision for bad debt. First we need to, okay, do one small working note. Debtors to be shown in balance sheet. Okay, debtors to be shown in balance sheet, one working note we need to do. Okay, debtors in trial balance, how much? 15,000. Bad debts adjustment 1000. Okay, remaining debtors consider doubtful. From this deduct provision for bad debts 5%. On this 14,000 into 5% will be 700. So deduct that 700, it will be 13,300. This will go to balance sheet. Debtors in balance sheet, we need to show this one. Okay, this is how you need to do when both bad debts and provision for bad debts are given in the adjustment. Okay, closing stock was valued 40,000. Once trading credit, trading account credit, another current asset. Allowed 10% interest on capital. Capital we are having how much? 50,000. To this we need to add plus ये reconnect recom weather condition say. So this interest on capital, first we will take P&L account debit side. Okay, on 50,000, 10% will be 5,000 P&L debit. Again this will be added to the capital in the balance sheet. Hope this problem you will do. All workings I said how to solve. Based on this you do the problem, and in the description of this video, after completion of video, once it is get uploaded, you can get the video at the YouTube. In the description I am providing my Telegram link. Okay, from there you can easily come to the Telegram channel. Don't worry about your privacy, it will be not used for any other purpose. So your details will not be shared with anyone. You can come there and you can have notes from there on. Okay, hope this is useful for you all. From tomorrow we are going to do most of the students asking for BRS. We are going to do BRS, and before doing BRS, first come to the channel and take the BRS notes. Okay, BRS से रिलेटेड मेरे ऑलरेडी इसी यूट्यूब चैनल पे BRS प्लेलिस्ट है. ओके, उसमें 5 steps to do BRS problem is there. In that, okay, video link you will be having uh, notes relating to it. You can find it from there. Okay, any doubts relating to final account still? आपको और कुछ डाउट्स है क्या फाइनल अकाउंट से रिलेटेड? अगर कुछ एडिशनल डाउट्स है तो वो पूछो, वो बता देता हूँ मैं अभी. हेलो हेलो. Oh, you third and fifth sem become cost accounting, sir explain machine hour rate. Sir, machine hour rate you can leave it as a choice. Do the overheads and labor, that is enough. If you want, we will do it before the final exams. One thing I am planning for cost accounting, one day revision before the exams. You can come for that class online and you can have the class, and you join our telegram channel Aspirants. Okay, and all other videos are already there relating to uh, cost accounting. You can use them. I am going to conduct one online session. Okay, if possible we will join through uh, this platform itself, and we will have good session over that. Any other thing, any other topic other than machine hour rate? And I am taking first year class, you are asking for fifth sem. Okay, any other? So tomorrow we are going to do what? Cost accounting. Sorry, not cost accounting, BRS. Cost accounting, one day revision we will do, don't worry. It will be around 2 to 3 hours session. We will complete the cost accounting revision in that. Any other? Shall I end the class? So thank you one and all. Jai Hind.